Have you ever heard of environmental intelligence? It's not widely spoken about, but it's vital to our well-being. The majority of people spend 90% of their time indoors. Whether we're at home, in the workplace, or at the gym, we expect to be safe. But how well do you know your home environment? Combining leading analytics and the latest sensing technologies into a beautiful and sleek design, we're bringing environmental intelligence into the heart of your home. We've created Aura, a stylish home environment monitor that tracks and interprets real-time environmental data, including temperature, humidity, and air contaminants such as gases and particles. It also analyzes historical data to identify patterns and dependencies and to bring them to your attention. It sends alerts and notifications to your phone or tablet. At the same time, Aura's light provides visual indication, changing from blue to gentle amber and finally to deep red, to attract your attention if the air quality becomes poor. You've probably heard of the butterfly effect. It's the concept that small changes in initial conditions can result in large differences at a later time. You can create a butterfly effect by detecting and eliminating invisible threats in your home. Aura can be a health-changing device for anyone. However, it is especially crucial for people with poor health or those with asthma and allergies. Please help us to bring the Aura to those who need it most. Join us by backing our project to build a healthier future together.